And welcome back to the vlog on Justin's Motorsport, where everything starts with a dream. And today here I'm at Vic Square Mall at NextGen's Great Canadian Indoor Car Show. First one in Regina inside the mall. So we'll go around, film some cars here. See this, first, it's awesome to see cars in the mall being showcased. Got the new Fair Lady here. There's a nice white Corolla. I know a few of my car buddies asked me if I would lower my Corolla. It does look really good lowered. So, but it is my practical car. Not this one, but my Corolla. It's practical, so not quite be as wise to lower it. Then we'll walk down over towards just there and see some of the older cars that are there. I see a really old Mercedes down there. So there's some older cars down here. Beautiful car. It's Mercedes 300 SC. Oh wow. That is dark for tint. Wow. This car is so beautiful. You like the T-pops. Another thing I should bring back is T-pops on the vehicles. Again, I think those look really cool. They brought back the T-pops. Lowrider. And my shout out here to the 306 Base Freaks there. So we're setting up the east side of the mall, so we'll go over to the west side of the mall. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? I love it. It's the first time, yeah? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I wish you were here last night, though.
Yeah. Oh, I seen pictures on the page there of the and postings of all that on there. So. Wow. It's awesome. It looks awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I walked all the way over there. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna go down here. Yeah.
Awesome.
All right. Yeah. Merch.
Okay, I'm gonna go from
Hey, what's up? I'll buy some NextGen merch. Yeah. 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 There we are. There we go. Johnny Supra. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Austin? Is it good? Yeah.
Get my eye back.
Oh, that's all right. You did it.
Got off work.
Oh yeah. You did such.
Did you just get here?
Yeah, I just got here.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys did it.
Where have you strolled so far? Where have you strolled around so
I
far?
strolled down there first, and then I'm working my way down here. So yeah.
You're almost all the way through.
Yeah. I know it's awesome way it turned out. It looks really good. You guys worked hard. You guys
We put a lot of work in.
yeah. Jay was saying you guys were here late.
I think me and Jay both like running on 3 hours of sleep each.
Wow. Oh yeah. Good time. Yes. More cars. More cars down here. Yeah, good. You? Turning point here, new. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. There. You better look at it. There we go. They're all growing. That's awesome. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. And I said, lots of others here, and if you guys like this, subscribe to my channel, Justin's Motorsport on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah. Check it out there. Right, you guys have a good one. See you guys tomorrow at the meet, I guess. At the meet tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, you're out of town. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, you too. Yeah. Something weird here. Just something off it, but okay, that's very interesting stuff. I love it off of these weird plush toys. Hey, what up? Yeah, I thought I got off work a little late, and then I was at 8, and I was just so tired. I gotta relax for a bit.
It's pretty white.
Yeah.
Pretty pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll let you.
Yeah, that's on this side, right? Yeah. Get on the other side and look at that one. Yeah.
Which part of it? Well, the car itself I watched.
And right up here we got Misfire here. They came all the way from Saskatchewan down here. Good, you? Good. Not bad, yeah. 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 Oh, you want to be the catcher keeper with fire? Yeah, the shirts are nice too. Yeah. 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 They're in the to switch teams, huh? Yeah. 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 Oh, you're thinking about, yeah, there you go, that there, yeah, so yeah. Yeah, if you're up in the Saskatchewan area, check these guys out here at their merch and at their meets and all that. If you're up in Saskatchewan, and if you like this, you subscribe to my channel, Justin's Motorsport. Yeah, guys, for that, yeah. Oh, it's your company, it's your car that you transport all your merch in. It's the daily, you know, like, no, no, yeah. Hey, I daily my Corolla, like, yeah, so yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so this concludes this vlog for today. Hit like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. There's great content coming. And remember, on Justin's Motorsport, everything starts with a dream. Peace.